My name's Tony White, I'm the Managing Director of Fastform Systems Limited. We applied for the R&D and low carbon grant. It's such a good way to get businesses to invest inwardly. The immediate impact is that we have taken on new designers and structural engineers, so the one impact it's had is that we've increased staffing levels, and the further impacts will be an increase in revenue and profit for the business as we bring a new unique product to the market. It's given us about an 18-month head start as to where we would have been if we hadn't had the grant available. Fastforms I set up about 5 years ago. I patented some ideas for formwork which hold concrete in place, and we now manufacture, sell and rent those systems in the UK and also export them around the world now. So the product we got the R&D and low carbon grant for was a doorway system.
Initially when we met with Tony, it wasn't necessarily clear how his project fitted into our funding streams, and it was only through having those meetings and the dialogue and talking about the real impact of his innovation where we could begin to clarify where the potential funding could come from us. And in terms of that particular project, it actually fitted in as a low carbon project, because the reality was he was providing a practical solution for construction companies to be able to do the concrete forming using a reusable system, rather than traditional methods of timber where you'd use it once and it would then be thrown away and burnt or whatever. So from our point of view, it was a perfect project.
Yeah, so I met Ian at a Humber Lep organised event, and then Ian came and saw me at my office a week or so later. I showed him the product, explained what I intended to do with it, the benefits, the fact that it would be a low carbon product, improving efficiencies, reduce timber use, reduce carbon use, and then Ian gave me a steer on the best grant to put forward. We then put an initial application in, and from there it was a pretty straightforward and quick process. There's a lot of paperwork, but the guys at the SparkFund are very good in sort of holding your hand and working you through all the paperwork side of it. It was quite a seamless process, to be honest. We've had grants as a business before that have took sort of 18 months to put together. I think this one, from the initial process to developing the product, we was probably about a 6-month period overall. The procurement process, it's all online, and it's again something we had existing manufacturers and companies that we use every day basically, but they had to go into the open tendering process for the procurement process. There is a scoring process, so you can pick people that you know have got the experience and have maybe worked with before. Again, the SparkFund sort of talk you through that and walk you through all the whole process. And the fact that it was based over in Hull University was a big factor for me, because I visited the SparkFund over in Hull several times as well. So the fact that it was local was a huge benefit to me.
For ambitious SMEs looking to grow their business, it starts with a spark. Visit our website for more information and start your journey today.